Another day, same endless rush. Is this really the right path for me?
I don't know if I can handle this pressure. Every choice feels like a gamble between success and failure. It's time to move on. But some memories never fade.
What if I tell you this entire cinematic scene was created without using any camera, without any actors, without any crew, just by using AI? Hey everyone, I am Piyush and today I am showing you an AI tool that can generate images, videos, cinematic shots just by prompting. Whether you are a filmmaker, content creator, brand storyteller, visual storyteller, this tool is for you. This tool lets you direct cinematic shots just by text prompts. Creators are using this to make epic content, B-rolls, narrative scenes, cinematic shots, and every single thing. And the quality reveals traditional filmmaking. I created pro-level shots in minutes without any gear. In this video, I am turning a simple idea into a full cinematic story by using different tools inside Higgsfield AI step by step. So let's start the video without wasting any time.
First of all, open your web browser and search for Higgsfield AI. Open the first website and right from the start you will notice how clean, modern and visual impressive the UI design is. For the image and video prompting part, I take help from ChatGPT. I ask ChatGPT to behave like a Hollywood script writer and convert my story idea into an 8-frame storyboard with a brief cinematic script. Now let's move to Higgsfield AI. I open the website again and go to the image option. From the model selection, I choose Nano Banana Pro. Copy the prompt from the ChatGPT for the frame 1 and paste it into the describe the scene option. Here I can adjust the ratio according to my requirement. I keep the model set to Nano Banana Pro, set the resolution to 2K, keep the number of frame to 1 and then click on generate. After waiting for few seconds, frame 1 is ready and honestly the result is unbelievable. The skin textures, camera perspective, lighting and overall environment look incredibly realistic and cinematic. Now, what if you want to turn this exact shot into a video? For that, I downloaded this frame, uploaded back into the ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT to generate a cinematic video prompt based on the image. Within few seconds, the video prompt is ready. I simply copy this prompt and return to the website Higgsfield AI. I select the frame, click on animate and paste the prompt. Here I keep the audio option on. From the model section, I choose the video generation model, usually Kling 2.6. I set the duration as needed, keep the ratio on auto and select and then click on generate. After waiting for a while, our video is ready. Let's play it. The motion feels natural, the camera movement is so smooth and everything feels perfectly cinematic. Now, here is one of the most powerful features. If you are not sure what the next frame should be, simply go to the Cinema Studio, upload your frame and type what's next and click on the generate button. Cinema Studio automatically adds the next frame. Select what's next. Within few seconds you will get 8 to 9 storyboard frames, all while maintaining character consistency throughout. Just look at this. With a single click, an entire storyboard is ready. And yes, you can convert these frames into cinematic videos as well. If you prefer manual control, you can again do the same for the second frame. Copy the prompt from the ChatGPT, paste it to Nano Banana Pro and generate the next frames one by one. See, our next frame is generated. The quality remains outstanding, sharp details, realistic lighting and natural skin textures. Another powerful tool inside Higgsfield AI is character generation, which helps maintaining the consistency across all the frames. Here, how it works. Download a close-up shot of your character, go to the character option in the top panel and click create character. Upload the character image and give your character a name which you like. Then click on the generate button. Within few seconds, your character is created. Now you can use this character in any frame you want to generate or to maintain the consistency throughout the storyboard of your frames. Character integration works with the Higgsfield Soul model only, not with Nano Banana Pro. Always keep this thing in mind. I set the ratio, keep the resolution at 2K, set the number of result to 2 and click on the generate button. The results are impressive. Consistent characters, cinematic lighting, clean and composition. I repeat the same process for the remaining frames. Now let me show you how to generate up to 8 storyboard scenes in one go. Go to image option, select Higgsfield Popcorn. Here you will see auto and manual modes. I choose manual because I already have my ChatGPT prompts. I set results to 8 since my storyboard has 8 scenes. Now I copy my prompt from frame 1 to frame 8 and paste them one by one into scenes from scene 1 to scene 8. To maintain style and character consistency, I add my style lock and character lock prompt in scene 1. That will give me my desired result. You can also add up to 4 reference images in this manual mode, but I am using prompts only as I don't have any reference kind of thing right now. I set the ratio to 16:9 and click on the generate button. Within few seconds, my entire storyboard is ready. Wide shots, mid shots, close-ups, extreme close-ups, everything feels professionally composed. The character remains consistent across all the frames. Now I upscale all the frames first, then I convert each frame into a video. By clicking on the video button, add the cinematic video prompt, keep the audio on, select model, Kling 2.6, duration I set it on 5 seconds, ratio it's automatically selected and then just simply click on generate and in few seconds my video got generated. While one video is generating, I queue the rest using the same process by copying the video prompt and pasting it in Higgsfield AI video generation model. Once all videos are ready, I downloaded them and edit everything in Adobe Premiere Pro, adding smooth transitions, subtle background music, text and pacing, and just like that, my cinematic short movie is ready.
Another day, same endless rush. Is this really the right path for me?
I don't know if I can handle this pressure. Every choice feels like a gamble between success and failure. It's time to move on. But some memories never fade.
But that's not all. Let's unfold some more crazy options as we step inside the cinema studio option.
I already generated the prompt in ChatGPT and then simply paste it here. Inside Cinema Studio, we get powerful options to choose cinema cameras, professional lenses, along with control over focal length and aperture. These are the same type of camera and lens settings that professional cinematographers use in real film shoots. Just look at the results. The frame is incredibly sharp with fine details, realistic lighting, and natural cinematic environment. I upscale the frame for maximum quality, and the visual depth becomes even more impressive. Now, when I click on the What's Next option, automatically generates the next 8 to 9 storyboard frames maintaining style and continuity. Click on the Animate option. Here, a new feature appears, Camera Movement Controls, allowing me to decide how the camera moves inside the frame. For this shot, I choose a drone movement. Click Generate and the result is absolutely stunning. Smooth motion, cinematic scale, and truly film-like feel. Not only these, I have generated so many of videos and images through this AI model and I absolutely loved it.
If you want to create this cinematic AI video that look professional and polished, this is the tool to go with. Higgsfield AI. Try now and bring your ideas to life. I have provided the link in the description box. You can directly check it from here and log in with the Higgsfield AI website. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.